you are gonna thank me personally. You will insist me that I want to actually personally thank you on this. Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Roop. Today's video is just gonna be a quick video, but first of all, thank you so much for those who have subscribed to our channel. And I still have a request to you guys कि जितने भी हमारे चैनल के viewers हैं, there are still 50% viewers, exactly 50% viewers who are watching our videos continuously but they are not subscribing. So I can just request you that please, if you are watching our videos and if you are liking our videos, please subscribe to our channel, because subscriptions actually gives us that motivation and that support that to go ahead and make another video. So being very busy in our life, as you know, I'm still struggling, and but I really wanted to help you guys out there during this time especially. So this was the best opportunity for me to help you out guys, and I want you guys to help us out back too. So I can just request that please do support us, and do share the videos, do like it, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you are actually liking it, and yeah, that will really help us. So coming back to the topic, I was just working and I got to realize that so many of you have been asking me the questions from my last video that as I told you कि अगर आप इंडिया से अमेरिका में आ रहे हैं for on your spouse visa or on your fiance visa, तो आप लोग अपना buffer time कैसे use कर सकते हैं to get a better job as quick as possible when you will be in America. So the questions were, जैसे मैंने बताया था कि references ज़्यादा होंगी जितनी उतना ही आपको जॉब में helpful होगा, या फिर कौन से ऐसे boot camps हैं जो आप join कर सकते हो. So in this video I can only share the experience being an IT student of IT sector, but ये ऐसा नहीं है कि ये जो tips हैं ये सिर्फ IT sector में ही apply होती हैं, ये हर किसी sector में apply हो जाती हैं. So how to make references, the most important questions I was getting in. And another request, please guys, if your questions are very basic, I request you, it's not a compulsory thing of course, but I can just request you that do ask those questions on YouTube rather than on Instagram, if those questions are of course not personal questions, so that I can reply you back and highlight that comment, and that will be easy on my side because I can just highlight a comment and so many of you can actually see the answer of the question, and because most of the questions were always quite a few similar, right? So I won't have to answer back and forth, and I don't want to miss any of your questions, because what's the point then making the videos if I'm not replying you back, right? So yeah, the references, how you can make references, that was the most question I'm getting. For references, I would suggest that it's not like कि अपना जो Indians का, और हम सोचते हैं कि ये जो abroad वाले students हैं ये बहुत sharp हैं, ये है वो, skills सबके पास equal हैं. I have realized this कि अपने Indian students सिर्फ एक चीज़ में lack कर जाते हैं comparatively, कि हम लोग bookish student ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं, bookish कीड़े हम ज़्यादा हैं rather than everything being online. यहाँ पे totally culture different है. So rather than being book read करना is a different thing, लेकिन my mean with this thing is कि try to connect more through online platforms with others, right? Online platforms जैसे कि हम कह सकते हैं LinkedIn, हम सबको पहले से ही पता है. चलो मैंने पता होने के बावजूद भी LinkedIn पे कभी फोकस नहीं किया. I have just started making my links on LinkedIn because my mentor, who's really helpful at my boot camp, he suggested me, he actually forced me कि नहीं तुम्हें नहीं पता इन चीज़ की इम्पोर्टेंस, इन चीज़ों की इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है, कैसे अपने लिंक्स बनाने पड़ते हैं। बहुत सिंपल है, जिस भी बंदे को आप फॉलो कर रहे हो उसे लिंक्डइन पे फॉलो करो, देखो वो क्या शेयर कर रहा है, उसका काम अप्रिशिएट करके उसे सिंपल एक मैसेज छोड़ दो एंड ट्राई टू कनेक्ट विद देम, और वो आपसे वैसे ही कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं। और सीरियसली व्हेन आई एम कनेक्टिंग विद अदर पीपल ऑन लिंक्डइन, आई हैव सीन दैट दे आर रियली हेल्पफुल, जिससे मेरी आज तक कभी बात नहीं हुई। ना वो इंसान मेरा क्लासमेट है, ना वो इंसान मेरा टीचर है, ना वो इंसान मेरा फ्रेंड और रिलेटिव है, लेकिन फिर भी they were helping me out so much whenever I was asking them something, and I have built only few connections yet on LinkedIn, but they are already so helpful. So again, thanks to my tutor, my mentor, Jayneil Dalal, who has a podcast too. So the main reason of making this video is just not about references and just not about making links on LinkedIn. Go ahead, try to connect with others on LinkedIn. Go ahead, please make your profile on LinkedIn. Try to connect with people of your industry in here. Just open their profile, message them that I liked your work and I really wanted to connect with you or anything. Just message them, that is it. And upon that, the main thing, how you can actually explore your knowledge according to the environment of this nation, because you're gonna work in this nation for your whole life. So for that, try to listen more of the podcasts. I will link down below a podcast that I'm listening to all the time, literally I can say, while even if I am cooking, while even if I am just working out or anything. I forgot all of my songs on Spotify or on any other media player, and I started listening to these podcasts by Jayneil Dalal. And these his podcasts are of course related to in IT, UX, UI, but not just that. These were really motivational. Listening to his guests' stories actually motivated me back again, and I was like, wow, this is amazing. अगर मुझे उनको सुन के इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा, इतना motivated लग रहा है, इतनी knowledge मिल रही है इस industry के बारे में, still I have been in here for the whole 1.5 year, लेकिन इतना अभी भी exposure नहीं मिला। 1 साल तो कोविड में ही निकल गया, of course, तो किसी से हम बाहर जाके मिल ही नहीं सके। लेकिन guys, please go ahead and listen to these podcasts. अगर आप IT से हैं तो इसको सुनिए, जो मैं लिंक डाउन करूँगी डिस्क्रिप्शन में, अपना मेरे टीचर का लिंक दूंगी। अगर आप किसी और फील्ड से हैं, go ahead, search the podcasts of your own field. They are so much informative and they are so helpful. Please trust me on this. You are gonna thank me personally. You will insist me that I want to actually personally thank you on this. That how helpful these tutorial or these podcasts are. So that's the only difference कि हम Indian students जो होते हैं, we just always get like involved with our own friends and we are हम एक उस zone में रह जाते हैं. And there are few students. There was a guest at Jayneil Dalal's podcast, who is an Indian and who is a YouTuber, who he shared all of his journey, that how he started working in this field since he was just a child. And I was like, यार come on, हम लोग ग्रेजुएशन पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करने के बाद सोच रहे हैं कि हाँ ठीक है जॉब कर लेंगे, नहीं मुझे अपना पूरा करियर फ्लिप करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. Look at these people. So they are really helpful. It's not like कि अगर आप अपना इस एज में आके करियर नहीं स्विच कर सकते, that's just like this easy. You can do that, but you need to get a motivation for that, right? You need to have that spirit to do it. So these podcasts and these references are the key ingredients to get a job in here and some of the boot camps. So please use this buffer time, and I hope all of this explained all of the questions you guys were asking me. I was just doing my work and I saw that there are so many messages on Instagram, and I was like, rather than answering it'll be easy for me to just make a quick video and maybe tell you guys, maybe there will be some other people who can get benefit of this too. So yeah, that was it. If you still have any questions, I know maybe I haven't explained it well yet, but my main motive was to give you those links and to tell you to be continuous with LinkedIn, with Spotify podcasts, Apple podcasts, anything. And yeah, just prepare yourself beforehand. You are coming in here, don't make the mistake that I did, and maybe this will help you out, and that's all. So yeah, that is it. And if you still have any questions about it, then please let me know in the comment section below, and you can of course message us on Instagram, and also you can email us. And still, again, I'm gonna say that I know maybe sometimes this can be annoying to tell this again and again, that oh, go ahead, please subscribe us, but guys, you don't know, I never knew this before I became a YouTuber by myself, that how important is this subscribe thing. That's why we are focusing upon this every single time, that if you're watching this video, please subscribe and support us. So yeah, that is it. Love to all of you from me and my family, and take care, be safe, and spread the smile. Bye bye.